With the Smart Girl Gardening as your guide, I hope that you can unlock the magic of urban gardening. So let's cultivate a green delight in every corner. Ready? Welcome to Smart Girl Gardening. This is a space for gardening enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener with a small space like me, or a big plot of land, if you're interested in gardening tips, tricks, and entertainment, then this is the space for you. My name is Trudes Smart. Yes, my last name is Smart. And I am, let's say, a whimsical weed. I'm resilient. Sometimes I follow the unconventional path. Even though I'm a self-taught gardener with about 9 years under my belt, as a geographer, I've always had a love for phytogeography or botanical geography and urban farming or urban gardening. My gardening journey didn't start until around 2015 when I moved to Japan, and I needed some time. Yes, I needed some time for my rice and peas. Listen, I searched high and could not find any until I went to my local Ian and I found a tiny seedling and I took it home. And of course, it unalived itself. I mean, it shriveled. So of course, I went to another one and of course, it unalived itself too. I got 2 more. And it's like, why do you all keep unaliving yourselves? So of course, I dove head first into gardening research. I bought books. I did trial and error, unalived the food plants, bought some more books, did some more research, unalived some more plants. Until, almost 10 years later, here I am. Now, I've learned a few tips and tricks along the way. Some of them that aren't necessarily the conventional way of doing things, because with a small space, as we say in Jamaica, you have to turn it and make fashion. Take it and make fashion, turn it and make fashion. If you're Jamaican, comment below. What is it? Take it and make fashion, turn it and make fashion. Alright, yeah. So I want to share these tips with you and I hope they will help you out. Okay, if you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button below twice a week, you will get gardening tips and tricks. Plus, I'll be your guinea pig, let's say. I'll test out gardening hacks, gardening tools, gardening kits for you when possible, because I live in Japan. And of course, I'll share our community's gardening stories.
Did you know that you can plant tomatoes a little deeper and they'll push out the roots everywhere the stems touch the soil? This will give you a stronger, sturdier, healthier plant that gives you lots of fruits. Grow tomatoes and peppers as perennials instead of annuals. They'll come back stronger every year. Companion planting will help utilize your space. Plant tomatoes with basil. Basil helps repel pests that affect tomatoes and improves their flavor. Strawberries with borage. Borage helps deter pests and improves the flavor of strawberries.
With the Smart Girl Gardening as your guide, I hope that you can unlock the magic of urban gardening and discover that nature's beauty holds no bounds. So let's join this whimsical weed on my journey from maps to mulch. Let our green thumbs be our guide and inspire each other to create our own little green havens in our tiny corners of the world. Follow along with any of my videos and start planting. Comment below if you started your gardening yet. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to see more how-tos, DIYs, and gardening tips and tricks. So let's cultivate a green delight in every corner. Ready? Make a girl. Thank you so much for watching. Not sure where to start? Check out this video right here. Later.